I've never been filmed. I don't have a passport. I'm not even real. And I still made $320,000.
This guy has 2.5 million followers on Instagram. And he's done over $320,000 in sales in the last 3 months. $75,000 a month, 90% profit margins. There's only one real problem though. He's not real. He's never been filmed and there's no studio because there's no actual person. This is an AI avatar selling a $50 ebook to thousands of people who literally have no idea. And this one account is posting one of these videos every single day. Different scenes, different settings, same character. All of it completely AI generated and all of it making real money. And he's not the only one. There are hundreds of these accounts running right now, selling ebooks, supplements, courses, communities, all being sold by people who don't actually exist. Now, most people see this and they think, well, I could never do that. I'm not technical enough. I don't know how to make AI content. That's completely wrong. I'm going to show you right now in the next 7 minutes exactly how this is done, where if you don't have any experience with AI, you can make this happen in as little as the next 30 minutes. I reverse engineered the entire system, the avatar, the script, the video, the product, the funnel, all of it. In the next 10 minutes, I'll walk you through every single step using free AI tools that you can use right now. And by the end, you'll know how to build the whole thing. No camera, no showing your face, no excuses. Let's get into it. Now, before we get into a single tool, we got to talk about something, because if you skip this part, you'll build the entire thing wrong. The reason why this account works almost has nothing to do with the AI tools themselves. It works because of 3 very specific design decisions. And once you see them, you never look at these accounts ever the same again. Decision number 1, the character itself. Look at this guy. Old, bald, Asian, calm, slow speech. Probably me in 70 years, right? Yeah, a robe, a beard. That's not a creative decision. That's a technical one. AI right now is good at certain things and really bad at other things. It's bad at fast lip movement. It's really bad at complex emotion. It's bad at clean shaven faces speaking quickly into the camera. But an old monk speaking in a slow, calm tone, that's the easiest possible thing that AI could nail. And so the same logic works for the Jewish rabbi characters that are also blowing up right now. The same for the old businessman characters, the same for the wise grandmother characters. They all picked an archetype that hides AI's weaknesses. Now, decision number 2. The format itself. Short, vertical videos. Low resolution, on the phone, people scrolling at full speed. No one's gonna zoom in on the frame and analyze whether the mouth has the perfect movement. And the compression of Instagram alone hides 80% of any of the AI weirdness. If you try to put the same character on a 4K YouTube video on a 60, 70-inch TV, it would fall apart instantly. But on Instagram, TikTok, you can't tell. And decision number 3, the content style. It's a single, calm monologue. There's no back and forth dialogue. There's no rapid emotional changes. Just one person speaking, looking directly at the camera, speaking simple wisdom. That's the easiest type of content that AI voice models to generate cleanly. There's no shouting. There's no excitement. There's no whisper to yell range. Just calm, slow talking. So look at what we have. We have the right archetype, the right format, the right content style. All 3 working together. This is what most people miss. They open up an AI tool, they try to make a 6-pack fitness influencer screaming at the camera with rapid cuts, and then they wonder why their video looks like garbage. It's not the tool. Everyone has access to the same tools. It's the strategic decision behind the tool. That's rule number 1 of building a faceless AI avatar account that makes real money. Now, let me show you exactly how to build one yourself. Step 1, we're gonna build the actual character. The tool that we're going to use is called Nano Banana. It's Google's image generation model and it's free. And right now, it makes the most realistic photos of any tool in the market. Remember, we don't copy, we model and modify. The whole point is you build your own character in your own niche. So I picked a niche that I think a lot of people can relate to, productivity. Specifically, an old mentor archetype that teaches focus and discipline. Think old money businessman, sharp suit, slight beard, wise and measured. So I open up Nano Banana. I'm going to type in this prompt. And here's the tip. The more specific you are, the better. Don't just say old man in a suit. Be specific about everything. The age, the clothing, the setting, the lighting. So I write something like this. Photorealistic image of a 70-year-old well-dressed man with a short white beard, wearing a tailored navy suit, sitting in a leather armchair in a wood panel study. Calm expression, soft natural lighting, shallow depth of field, 4K resolution. Now I hit generate. And about 10 seconds later, look at this. Here he is. Looks like an actual real person. No weird hands, no plastic face, no floating background. This is the level we're at now with image generation. Not bad. And if I don't like the first one, I'll just generate another one and keep going. And I keep going until I get the one I like. Now here's a trick that most people miss. Once you have your character locked in, you do not want to use just one image. Because if every video looks identical, your account looks fake. So we go back to Nano Banana. We use the same image as a reference, and then we put him in different environments. Same character, new prompt. Now place him on a balcony on a sunrise, holding a cup of coffee, looking thoughtfully at the city skyline. Same character, place him on a wooden desk, writing in a leather notebook. Candle nearby, evening lights. Same character. Place him walking through an autumn park in a long wool coat. Now I have 4 scenes, same character, different locations. The account finally starts to feel like an actual person living a real, actual life. That step 1 is done. The character now exists. Now step 2 is the script. Now listen closely here. This is the most important step in this entire process. You can have the most realistic AI avatar in the world, but if your script is garbage, the video does not convert. Nobody watches it, it never goes viral, and nobody ends up clicking on the link to buy the products that you promote. The whole thing falls apart. The script carries the video. It always has been, it always will be. And I know exactly what you're feeling right now if you've never tried to write quality content. You sit down looking at a blank page, the cursor blinks at you, you try to think of something clever, and 20 minutes go by and you've written one sentence that you already hate. That's the slowest, hardest, lowest conversion way to do this. Here's a smart way. We use a tool called Allen AI. The reason this matters is because Allen AI lets you reverse engineer the viral content that is already winning from top Instagram accounts that exist. And then it builds your own version of it. Here's a workflow. Step 1, go to an Instagram account and search in the search bar a certain keyword. Let's use productivity tips. I'm gonna scroll until I find an account that's pulling in huge numbers on short form, like 100,000 views or more. It doesn't have to be the biggest account, it just has to be working. I copy the profile URL, and step 2, I paste it into Allen AI and I hit enter. I tell it to scan the account and it will filter by views, show me the top videos, and look at this. About 5 seconds, I have a list of every single content that this account has posted, ranked from highest amount of views to lowest. That way I can see exactly what's hitting and what's flopping. I find the one bringing the most views. I click into it. In step 3, I pull the script. Allen AI pulls the full transcript of that video automatically. Every word that creator said, the exact hook, the exact body, the exact call to action. But here's where it gets interesting. I don't want to copy this video. That's not what works. What I want to do is model after it. I take the structure that's already proven, the hook, the pacing, the belief shift, the CTA, and I apply it to my own topic. So you see this button right here called Write My Own Version? I'm gonna click on that. And in about 5 seconds, Allen AI will rewrite a full script, the same proven structure as of our video, but it's about my topic, in my own voice, in my own niche, with my own call to action. This is the part where most people miss. You're not guessing what's going to work, you're modeling what's already working, and Allen AI is doing the heavy lifting for you. Now I copy the script, I clean it up, maybe I tweak 2 or 3 different lines so it sounds a little bit more like me, and we move on. Now step 3. Now we are bringing everything together. The AI avatar from step 1, the script from step 2, we turn it into an actual talking head video. The tool here is called the HeyGen. Now, there are a few options on the market, but honestly, HeyGen is the cleanest and most easy to use realistic AI avatar generator that I've personally ever used. The lip sync is the best. The voice quality is pretty good, and the workflow is simple. So step 1, I take the image that I made from Nano Banana, I upload it to HeyGen as a custom avatar. HeyGen processes it in 1 to 2 minutes, and it's gonna analyze the face, the angle, the lighting, and it's gonna build a talking head version of that exact character. Not a stock avatar, not someone else's face, the character that I generated. Step 2, I paste the script Allen AI wrote for me into HeyGen, and right into the text box, there it is. Step 3, I pick a voice. There are dozens to choose from. Different ages, different accents, different tones. I pick one that simply matches the character. Older, calm, authoritative. In step 4, I hit generate. About 60 seconds later, and that is the avatar. Reading my script, lips moving, eyes blinking, looking exactly like a real person sitting in front of a camera.
Boy, stop buying things to impress people who wouldn't lend you $20 if your car broke down. Buy things that make your life easier, quieter, and longer. That's real wealth.
I want you to think about what just happened. I started this video with a blank screen. Less than 20 minutes later, I have a fully produced talking video of a character that did not exist an hour ago reading a script that I did not write in a niche that I wouldn't even consider myself that much of an expert in. That used to take a film crew, a studio, a scriptwriter, a week of post-production. Now it's 3 tools in an afternoon. That is the exact same process that Young Menace is using to crank out videos that are generating millions of views and hundreds of thousands of dollars in sales. Now, stay with me here, because here's the part that most people skip, and it's actually what pays you. Views don't pay your bills. Followers don't pay your bills. Sales pay your bills. You can have the most beautiful AI avatar in the world, but if there's nothing for people to actually buy, you've built a content machine that gets views but not sales, which means you don't have a business. So step 4, what does the avatar actually sell? Young Manas sells a $50 ebook called The Way Back to Stillness, plus a community on WAP for ongoing teachings. That's the upsell. The avatar drives traffic from Instagram, the product collects the money. That's the whole model. Distribution, meaning views on Instagram, conversion on the sales page. Now, to be clear, the product has to still be really good. The avatar gets you traffic, but if what you're selling is garbage, the business dies in 3 months. The whole thing only works long term if you're actually putting out something that really helps people in the world. So in our productivity example, the same logic applies. We'd want a digital product that fits the audience the avatar is attracting. Something on focus, mornings, discipline, that lane. And here's where most people get stuck. They think, well, I don't know how to write an ebook. I don't know what to put in it. I'm not an expert. That's the wall that stops 90% of people from ever starting. But you have 2 ways around it. Option 1, you use a done-for-you product that's already built for you. A platform like Allen.store is a marketplace of digital products that are already built, already proven, and already selling. I scroll through the marketplace, I find the productivity course that fits the audience my avatar is attracting, I click it, and the product side of the business is handled. There's no writing, there's no designing, there's no starting from zero. The avatar drives the traffic, the product collects the money. Now, the second option is if you have your own idea, you can build your own product without needing to be an expert. You see, Allen AI has a tool inside of it called the product builder. You just simply give it a topic, productivity, morning routines, whatever it may be, and it generates a full ebook for you. The outline, the chapters, the content, the cover design, done. And you can take it as your own starting point and add your own voice as well. You can sell it as is, you can stack it with bonus material, whatever fits. The point is this used to be the part that stopped people for months. Now it takes about an hour. So whether you use a done for you product or you build your own, once the product is locked in, you put it on a simple sales page. Your avatar drives the traffic, people click the link in the bio, they land on the page, and they buy. Avatar at the top of the funnel, product at the bottom. That's the entire system. Now take a step back. Look at what you just learned. In step 1, you built a character that does not exist. In step 2, you reverse engineered what's already winning and you turned it into your own script. And in step 3, you turn that script into a finished video. Step 4, you built a product that monetizes the whole thing. 4 steps, 4 tools, 1 business. 12 months ago, this was almost impossible for everyone. Today, it's a Saturday afternoon. Now, I want to come back to where we started because there's a shift I need you to make in how you think about this. For years, the message has been the same. If you want to build a digital product business, you need to have some massive personal brand. You have to be on camera. You have to show your face. You have to put yourself out there. And for a lot of people, that's the single biggest reason why they never start. Maybe you have a job that you can't risk and you can't have your boss finding out. Maybe you have a family and you don't want strangers recognizing you, your family, your kids. Maybe you just don't like being on camera because you're camera shy. And for years, that meant that you were just stuck. What you just watched changes everything. Right now, there are thousands of people building real businesses behind faceless characters. Some look completely different from the creator. Some look similar. Even myself personally, with over 1 million followers on Instagram, about 30% of my content is actually the AI version of me now. The same creator with the privacy of not being recognized in the street. You can build whichever one fits you. The point is this, the door is open right now a way it wasn't 12 months ago. And here's the way that I want you to think about this. The AI avatar is the distribution, the views, the attention, the product is the business, and the AI handles the part that used to require film crew, a personality, and years of consistency. And the people who recognize this early, the ones who stop waiting for the right moment to just be on camera and start building, those are the people who are going to win in the next 12 months. So here's what I tell you next. This window is open right now. 12 months from now, every niche that you can think of will have 50 different avatar accounts competing in it. Right now, most of them are wide open in this blue ocean. Building the avatar is one thing. You just saw exactly how. But building the actual business behind the avatar, picking the right product, setting up the funnel, writing the copy, getting the traffic to convert into real sales, that's a completely different skill set. And that's what my team and I have spent the last few years systemizing. So if you want to see exactly how to put this full thing together, the avatar, the product, the funnel, all of it, I put together a free masterclass training right here on YouTube that walks you through the entire system end to end, and it's completely free. The same training my top students go through before they build their own businesses, and some of my top students are even doing $10, $20, even $30,000 a month right now. The link is going to be right here. It's also going to be the first link down in the description. So go ahead, tap on this video. It's the best video for you to watch right now. So click on that, and I'll see you on the other side.